I want to talk to you about a book that I really love and that is essential to my life. What is this book? One thing you might not know about me is that I am an avid gardener, and I was able to take a master gardening class through the state of Illinois. And through this class, I learned so much about gardening, and I've become a much better gardener than I ever thought that I could be. And you can too. So if you're into gardening and you want to improve your chops in gardening, you can go to your state and do California Master Gardener, Massachusetts Master Gardener. But if you don't have time to take a 48-hour class, oh, look, they just brought me over my burger. I am doing a Substack Live. Bye bye. So if you don't have time to do that, there is a book that I found at a yard sale, and it is brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. It is called A Thousand Garden Questions Answered by 20 Experts. Now, this is volume one, and I actually love this book so much that I got the second volume. This one, I think, was published, let me look, it was published in 1944, and I think this one is an edited version for 1970. It was published in 1944. This is the 1974 version, and it has everything that you could possibly know about gardening. You have questions about, um, I don't know, powdery mildew on your peonies. If you don't know what to do with your nasturtiums, you have to soak them or scar them. There's just lots of different things that if you're into gardening, this answers all of the questions that you could possibly need. And so while I have to go and do an intervention, a burger intervention in just a little bit, I thought I would just jump on to share this book, A Thousand Garden Questions, so that you can express your creativity in gardening. And I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Martine Severin. I am a photographer, and I'm also the writer of the Substack um, channel, I guess, if you could call it, called Creative Matters. So, and I also run a podcast called This Is How We Create, and Creative Matters essentially is a companion to This Is How We Create. If you haven't read it, check out this book, A Thousand Garden Questions. You can probably get it used at a local bookstore, or you could buy the newest version, which I think is probably came out in the 80s or in the 90s. That's all I have for you. Thank you so much for popping on, and I'll check you later.